Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. And today we are looking at the Marcala, and really what we're talking about here is a 6-pack of LED safety flares. Now, when you're out on the road, whether you're in your car or you are, in your RV, the old-fashioned flares, which are flammable, and you could, light your RV on fire. You really don't want anything like that anymore. You put the cones out. The cones, may not be able to see them very well at night, so you need a flare. Let's see if I can get this open here one-handed. So I like the packaging here. Lets you know in this nice red that, hey, maybe there's an issue going on, and almost like a lifeguard coloring here. But saw these on the Amazon, I guess it was. Here, I'm kind of into the discovery mode here. So here they are. Very nice. Looks like, wow, look at that there. Battery's already in there. How about that? Different versions. Okay. And what else we got here? Okay, slow. Oh, okay, and then amber color. There we go. So a lot of different ways to blink here. What else we got here? Like a hook, so you could hang it up on a clothesline or something high up on your RV if you're on the side of the road on your ladder or something. So so this is pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is just an emergency kit to get you out of your vehicle, I guess. Break the door open, cut your seat belt, or break the windows out. Yeah, there we go. Did I see something else here? So, yeah, this was a pretty good buy. I want to think I'll double check it and put it in the notes section, but I want to think it was like 39 bucks or maybe 29 bucks for 6 of these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like having these handy. They're definitely better than just sticking a cone out there or a flare. And these LED lights and these batteries, they tend to last. Okay, so you can even leave it on. And okay, flashlight. So there you have it. You could put a light on the subject. So a lot of different usage. So the Marcala LED flares. So there you have it, folks. I thought I was going to do a couple of editions of this, but I may do one more thing here. So thanks for watching. Okay, yes, it looks like there is included in the packet there is this screwdriver that you would need to open up the back and replace some batteries. So it's interesting that it comes already with the batteries loaded and that sort of thing. So here I am in my iPhone cinematic mode, and you can see that I can change the focus to the third one, to the fourth one, fifth one out there, and then that one over there. But hey, I want to read the box though. There we go. The box comes in focus, but wait a minute, what about this thing up front here? Yeah, so that's the cool thing about an iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can kind of put it focused on something up close, and all of this stuff at the man cave here is in the background. So there you have it, folks. Pretty good deal with the Marcala emergency lights flare kit. So there you have it. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews, and who knows what I might review next that would be beneficial to you or someone you know. You know, this would be a really good present to give your kids or grandkids or mom or pop or whatever. They could have these handy and use them during storms as a flashlight or as an emergency light. Catch you later on the flip side. Don't forget the emergency whistle.